Hello, welcome back to the class. In today's training, we are going to be looking at the cosine function. We are going to be looking at how to calculate the cosine of angle from the degree and also from the radian perspective. Let's go into the class as we see how this can be done. All right, welcome back to the class. Now, in today's class, we're going to be looking at the cosine function. The cosine function is also a trigonometric function. Okay, so the cosine function in Excel is used to calculate the cosine of a given angle. The cosine function is fundamental trigonometric function that measure the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse in the right angle triangle. Just like the sine function, the cosine function also takes number, and that number is supposed to be in radians. It's expected to be in radians. So if the number is in degree, then you have to convert to radians. So we have seen in the previous session on sine function, if you miss the sine function, you can just click and then click the button of the sine function, and you know it's showing at the top. I think I have a button that can take you to sine function video, and then you can watch. Now the sine function, the cosine function is similar to the sine function because you have to convert to radian before you can do your calculation. So let's go into the worksheet as we see how this is done. Now, this is the value in degrees, and we want to calculate the cosine. So if we do COS like this, it's going to give us a value that is not the cosine of the angle direct. So you still have to convert it to radian, right? You still have to convert this to radian. So you will pick these values and then put radians. So what you have is the cosine of radian of that value. Okay? So by the time you bring it down, so you will see that cosine 60 is 0.5, cosine 30 is 0.66. So this is how to calculate the cosine of an angle. All right, so see you in the next session when we'll be looking at another function. Bye for now.